Nokia's another stunning smartphone is ready to rock the market. If you haven't heard about this smartphone yet, today's the day to find out. Because Nokia is bringing a 200 megapixel DSLR camera, and a 7200 mAh powerhouse battery, all at an unbelievably affordable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we'll reveal all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible smartphone. So let's dive in. Features of Nokia X300 Ultra 5G. This smartphone flaunts a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 4K resolution. But that's not all. You also get a 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 7 protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera quality. When it comes to the camera, the Nokia X300 Ultra packs a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a 200 megapixel primary lens. The other three lenses include a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 16 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera ready to capture stunning shots. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest Android 16 operating system, and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, ensuring blazing fast speed and smooth multitasking. Battery and charging. Now, let's talk battery life. Nokia has packed a 7300 mAh monster battery inside, supported by 100-watt fast charging, via a USB Type-C Gen 2 port. Say goodbye to frequent charging. Price and launch date. So, how much will it cost? Expect this phone to launch around $700. And when can you get it? The Nokia X300 Ultra 5G is likely to hit the market mid-next year.